My name is Robert and I will present you outdoor heating boiler series for wood combustion and as well pellets. The outdoor central heating boilers named Sigma. Outdoor series boiler, we can use our Sigma model. It is very well prepared for efficiency and thermal efficiency combustion because the wood gasification boiler with manual loading. We can use logwood or timber. (55 centimeter logwood). Opening roof. Opening rear doors. We can plug in the boiler easily. We have exhausting fan. It helps to take exhausting gases from the boiler. We have a fan here, and also we have, of course, chimney. Here we have also access to clean up the boiler. Also very easy. We have here chimney outlet. We can use it as a normal black steel or acid steel. Electrical connection and wires, outlet and inlet of the boiler. So we can use also here, let's say, insulated steel or not insulated steel. Our company can provide every boiler, indoor or outdoor, for every sort of solid fuel like biomass, wood, pellets, corn, straw, briquettes.